Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Of course. It's bone stock. Here's sound decibels. Right at 82. Again, it's really quiet. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after we do a muffler delete. Got this beauty in here. 2002 Lexus SC430, all the way from Guthrie, Kentucky. It took them 6 months to find it. What we got done on this beautiful thing, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it winds into a single factory converter there. Then what we put on it, he came and said, I want these specifically, which are DYNOMAX race bullets, part number 24250s, right there, 2 of them. And then that's where the resonators usually go. So we put those in its place. Then it had this huge muffler right there that we took off and ran straight pipes in its place, there and right there. And finished it off with some blue flame tips, titanium tips out the back, right there, 4-inch. There'll be a link in the description for the bullets and the tips, as you guys can see. It just cleaned it up a lot. And we did a weight reduction surgery on it, basically at the exhaust shop. There, you guys can see the muffler, it's huge there. So we cut all that off, replaced it, cleaned it up for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Oh wow, look at his face! Hi. Much better. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Wow, it's so deep. Again? Again? Wow. That sounds so good. That sounds really good. It's so deep. Again? 107. Go ahead and back it up. That's such a good slide. That is perfect. Oh yeah. Beautiful. What do you guys think of this sound? Let us know in the comments. When was the last time you guys heard a Lexus like that? Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus SC430 V8 DYNOMAX race bullets, true dual straight pipe with blue tips. You can see the blue right there. Another satisfying. Not bad, not bad.